Hey guys, in this video we are going to be checking out the best BMX bikes you can buy right now. We made this list based on our personal opinion and hours of research, and we have listed them based on type of features and price. We have included options for every type of user, so whether you are looking for a best budget. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. Mongoose Legion Freestyle Sidewalk BMX Bike. We kick off this session with the Mongoose Legion L16 review. This one is a pretty cool entry-level bike for your kid that she will absolutely love. It is designed for kids who are no more than 3.5 feet tall. This makes it a perfect choice for nearly all kids who just want to step into the biking world. Again, the heart of the cycle is a high-10 steel frame that comes with a 15.3-inch top tube. On the front side, there is a handlebar that is made from the same material for durability and robust build-up, not to mention the aluminum frame U-brake attached to it that ensures perfect braking and control. Moreover, its forks are joined together by a 40mm stem that ensures the bike delivers its maximum performance. Take the drivetrain and the chainring, for example. The drivetrain has a 130mm crank, and the chainring is made from 25T alloy material. Considering all these, this perfect bike is also one of the safest cycles you can offer your child. The frame comprises Tectonic T1 biaxial hydroformed and butted aluminum, making this bike sturdy and lightweight for comfortable riding. As a professional racing bike, you can ride on it from the biggest hits on the mountain or in the park to the urban jungle without fear. Generally, the handlebars, tires, double wall rims, and brakes all work and withdraw pressure well, for suitable riders. Number 2. Mongoose BMX Bicycles Legion BMX. This is an excellent choice if you are new to riding and want the best cheap BMX bikes. In my opinion, Mongoose offers the best entry-level BMX bikes. The Legion is a brilliant bike series for all kinds of riders, from kids to adults. The one I'm going to speak to you about is the Legion L80 bike frame. The L80 frame features a professional-grade 4130 chromoly front triangle, tapered head tube, mid-BB shell, and removable bike mounts, making this BMW the ultimate pavement pounder and precision rider. Mongoose Legion has an excellent design that makes it firm and also resistant to shock. Made of high-tensile steel, it not only scores high in aesthetics but is also super robust and durable. This BMX is ideal for older kids and even adults with their removable brake mounts and a 75-inch top tube length to give a strong frame for whatever tricks you or your kid is going for. For complete confidence and skill down the skate park or when hitting the streets, this bike is also ergonomically designed and narrow, so your child can reach full speed and potential on your BMX. There is no need to worry about bumps along the road either, as it comes with shockproof and maximum firmness. The durable L20 drivetrain has 170mm one-piece forged steel cranks with a 25T alloy chainring and American loose ball bottom bracket, so you can be confident your kid is getting the real deal for a fraction of the price. Number 3. Tony Hawk 20 Jargon Freestyle BMX Bike. Another boy bike that I love to use recently is this Dynacraft Tony Hawk Jargon BMX bike. If you are into street bikes or freestyle bikes, this one can suit you the most with its straightforward but powerful features. The custom grip is really something. It is easy to take control, steer and turn, and to ride on any surface. The design of this model is good for bicycle motocross riding. With its components and parts built in nicely, it is also available in many frame sizes, so you should pick what is compatible with your physique most. Both front and rear brakes have decent stopping power. You have nothing to worry about. It has been made for older kids, and it features the kind of awesome graphics which they will love. The handlebar stem is alloy threaded for additional strength and functionality. Unlike the previous bike we discussed, this one is made for kids of 12 years and older, and it supports weights of up to 275 pounds. The saddle seat has an adjustable alloy clamp, and you can rest assured that there is a lifetime warranty on both the frame and the fork. Number 4. Mongoose Freestyle BMX-Bicycles Legion BMX. If you liked the L20 black one, this one is going to be even more eye-soothing for you. For instance, the blue Legion L20 from Mongoose comes in a vibrant blue color that is going to be loved by kids of any age. In addition, if your kid is taller than 4 feet 8 inches, it's going to be a perfect match for your little guy. Again, as for the frame of the bike, it's brilliantly made from high-10 steel. Similarly, not too surprisingly, The fork is also made from the same high-tense steel material, as well. Again, the wheels come with sturdy aluminum single-wall-made rims right there. In other words, this bike screams durability from every part. Again, the braking system of the bike is pretty high-tech. In other words, the U-brake system, coupled with the alloy brake levers, ensure proper control over the speed. That's why it ensures safety on the road and delivers excellent momentary stops when needed. Number 5. Razor High Roller BMX/Freestyle Bike, 20-inch. Razor brings you the High Roller BMX bike, which has a 20-inch wheel set. The bike has a cool green and black design with the Razor logo on the suspension, which makes you stand out. I feel this bike is one of the best BMX bikes for kids on this list. The entry-level bike has a very comfortable and ergonomic seat, which is adjustable on the seat post. This is also enabled through an alloy seat clamp, which is strong and durable just like the rest of the bike. The build quality of this bike is another level, making it perfect for dings, drops, and the inevitable crashes. With a welded steel frame and fork, you will get many years out of your ride before needing to change it. You can tell by its display that the Nebula is serious regarding its performance, blending classic styling with some characteristics commonly found on bikes in a more expensive price range. Nebula's steel frame gives it plenty of stability and strength to handle hard landings and clashes as well. This does come with the trade-off of a higher weight, but it's not enough to make it that much heavier than other bikes in its class. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like, comment, and make sure to hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most updated pricing on all the products mentioned in this video.